How to add Face ID on your Android device. So for that you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. First step is that navigate to your setting here. Once you are on your setting of your Android device, just scroll down and go for your prior password and security. Under your password and security you can see the face unlock or face ID. Just tap on that. And then you have to just go for your password option. And here you have to just go for the face unlock. So if you have already a face here, so you have to just go for the add face data. Just tap your password, and to add your face data make sure all part of your face aren't covered by object, and just go for the next option here, and you have to keep your face inside the frame. That's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.